In this video, I will discuss about support and resistance. Right now, I have opened the chart of link against USDT and I will explain the whole concept on this chart. So, let's talk about support first. What is a support? A support is a zone or a point from where the price of a particular asset takes a bounce. For example, I saw that the price took a bounce from this point. I again saw that the price again took a bounce from this point. Since it bounced from these zones, I will mark it as a support zone, a zone from where the price takes a bounce. So I can expect that in the future, whenever the price comes near and touches the support, it will bounce again. So we will change its color to green because our support is always green. Now, let's talk about resistance. A resistance is a point or a zone from where the price takes a rejection. For example, I saw that the price rejected from this point. I again saw that the price rejected from this point. So now I can mark this zone as a resistance zone, which means that the price can further in the future takes rejection from this point if it touches this zone, and I will change its color to red because the resistance is always red. Green means bullish momentum and increase in the price, whereas red means decrease in the price. So let's see. Right now you can see that the price is fluctuating, and let's see if it touches support or resistance. Okay, it's moving. Here you can see that the price took rejection from my already drawn resistance level. By knowing this, you will not make a mistake of buying any asset at its resistance level. Now you can see that after taking rejection from our resistance zone, the price has successfully come to our support zone. So let's see if it takes a bounce or not. So let's play. So you can see that the price successfully took a bounce. By knowing this strategy, you can make money by buying at the support level and not at a resistance level. Otherwise, you will end up in loss. Now, notice one thing, that it is not 100% confirmed that the price will take a rejection from its resistance level or a bounce from the support level. So always use stop loss before placing your trades. Right now, it is again taking a rejection and has again come to our support zone. Now, let's suppose I want to buy this asset at this point. Now, what will I do? I will buy it from here and will place a stop loss below this demand zone. So, I will buy it at this point and I will place my stop loss below this demand zone. This is how trading works, and smart traders always use a stop loss. So let's see if the price takes a bounce or not. And you can see that the price successfully bounced and it is trying to hit our TP. And you can see that the price successfully hit our TP. So this is how trading works. So always buy on support and sell on resistance. Again repeating, support is a zone from where the price takes a bounce and resistance is a zone from where the price takes a rejection. Always buy on support and place a stop loss. Stop loss is must in trading. Notice one thing, that if the price, instead of taking rejection from the resistance level, breaks that resistance level, now that resistance level will act as a support for that price. It means that the price will now take a bounce from that level and that resistance level will convert into a support level. So if the price breaks and retests that resistance level, you can buy that asset from that point and place a stop loss below that resistance level, which has now become a support level. So I did that, and you can see that the price successfully bounced from this point. The resistance level acted as a support level. Similarly, if the price, instead of taking a bounce from the support level, breaks that support, now that support will act as a resistance for the price. Just like you saw that the price broke the support, and now it is taking a rejection from that support. So we can say that this support has now successfully become a resistance for that price. So therefore, it is always advisable to use a stop loss before buying at any support. A little loss is always better than a big loss. So I hope you understood the concept. Please subscribe.